Hey, welcome to this channel. I've just finished another awesome trading session with binary options. If you want to find out the result, don't hesitate to watch this video till the end. You're gonna get a lot of useful information, strategies, indicators, and everything you need to know for your own experience. Let's start straight away. My name's Oliver. Let's go. So guys, today I'm using an MACD oscillator, I'm using Donchian Channel, and I'm using Parabolic SAR as my indicators. And for the first option, I am looking at the graph right now. I'm gonna start from $200 straight away to see if we can make some nice profit today. Let's see if we can. Okay, we're gonna go with the call option here because as you can see, this bullish impulse candle is going likely to go through. Yes, it's going to go through the middle line of the Donchian Channel, and as you can see, the Parabolic SAR there, the dotted line may act as a bit of a resistance at this point, but I think two of these lines are acting as kind of a resistance, but we're likely to break through them. At least I'm looking at this as a chance to profit from this small amount of time. It's only 1 minute time frame, so yeah, let's wait for the result and see for ourselves and continue. Here is the profit, guys. 386 from this one option is 93% payout. 380 toward the next option. We're gonna change our currency, and let's see what's happening over here. Right, so that's okay. So we are reaching the support levels, and I'm going with the call option again. As you can see, the support is giving us this push towards correcting towards the middle line of Donchian Channel, and basically that's that. It's working off the levels at this point, or zone levels, and yeah, this gap between this support level and the middle line of the Donchian Channel is gonna be our gap where we're gonna work at this point. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. And here is the profit, guys. 720 was our profit from here. So we're gonna use that toward our next option, and which is going to be, let's see if we're gonna use the next currency. You guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Obviously, it helps enormously to the channel. Right. Okay, so we are seeing, okay, so there are a few things here. We just broke through the middle line of the Donchian Channel, which is a short signal, and also MACDs, you can see, is about to meet with the green fast line is about to meet the slower line and cross it, which is a good indication in most cases for a short as well. And in conjunction, you can make the decision towards, in this case, a put option on small time frames, obviously. So let's wait for the result of this and continue. And this is a 4 figures profit already from this option. 93%, which is quite nice as well. One of the highest payouts. We're gonna switch this, we're gonna change this to 1350, and let's make our next option. We're gonna go to the different currency, this one here. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a call option because I think we're gonna still go back to the middle line of the Donchian Channel. and as a small kind of pullback, because it looks like it's entering into a flat. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this if that's correct, and we continue. Here is the profit, guys, and this is already into 2.5 grand. So you can see this works as a compound percentage the way I'm using the investment box. I'm using the entirety of the newly profited balance every time. So you can see I have 2,500. I'm going to use it towards the next option to create that exponential growth. So right, what we have here, right, so basically we're gonna go for the trend, the forming of the trend, and everything looks as for long. This is tricky, but here I have faith in the trend. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and see what works. Because this could be a little pullback where we entered at the bottom, and it's a good thing. So then we can expect growth after this pullback, and basically our profit from this little situation. So yeah, let's wait and continue. As you can see with this profit here, we can make a $4,000 option already, and it's a pretty huge one considering, but obviously we started today with a higher amount on our initial option, which was 200, but still it's an amazing profit. And obviously the higher amount you start with, the more chances you have to profit in some elevated amounts in the down the road in the end. So let's go with this put option here for $4,000. We came to a resisting middle line of the Donchian channel, as you can see, and it's gonna push us down from this line, because it's kind of a resistant line. I know on this time frame, small time frame, it's not every time you can work with those as levels, but it still applies to it. It better works and better functions on quite large time frames, day trading or weeks. So those work better and more, but still it applies. I found that still, even on short time frames, it applies to the small situation. It's more volatile, yes, but it still works. Right, guys, so we have a pretty amazing profit already from this. We're gonna push a little bit more. Let's find out if we can make just maybe one more option. What about this here? Okay, so let's go with some of the indications here for 8K. This is a pretty big one, I agree, but basically there was an intent of breaking the resistance level. And after that we see a down trend forming after breaking the middle line of the Donchian channel. After breaking it down, we have time until the graph basically it tests the lower levels, it looks for support, and basically it's that. So after this, it's a good indication. Also MACDs, you can see a very clear indication on the short. So this was kind of a decision from that. So let's wait for the result of this. Hopefully it's correct. It's a big one. It's a conclusion of our trading session today. I'm gonna, if all correct, and it is, as you can see, we have the correct. Oh, not all of it, guys. Not all of it came through. No, it did. It actually did. All of them came through. I thought we had some setbacks there, but all of them came through. And we're gonna stop here. As I said, this is an amazing profit for this session. We started with 200, as you can see, the balance, how it works, all I used for today. Don't forget about the link in the description where I leave an invitation link to a Telegram group where you can learn all this stuff. I'm gonna leave you here. All the best. Good luck.